Hi there, I'm Dr. Mark Jagger, creator of The Spine Specialist and Spine Specialist Clinics, and what I'd like to do in this little video series is answer a few of the frequently asked questions that we get at Spine Specialist Clinics. So one of the main questions, obviously, is cost of treatment. What is the cost of treatment? Well, that depends on a couple different things. It depends on the course of treatment that the doctor picks for you after you have been assessed. So there is a bit of variability with respect to that. There could be different treatments added. There could be things that you need, things that other people need that you don't need. The cost can vary a little bit. Also, between locations, the cost does vary a little bit, and there is a reason for that. So firstly, the Spine Specialist is a very uniquely arranged piece of equipment. So there are only a few of them actually out. So we've designed this device. Took us a number of years to design and perfect it and get it to the effectiveness rate that we wanted it to be. So that being said, there's also the cost of developing something that nobody's ever thought of doing before. So that's what we have here in the Spine Specialist. Nobody ever thought of doing it before. Nobody actually ever took the time to put all this stuff together and create a device as uniquely effective as the Spine Specialist. So there is a bit of a cost to that. So therapy-wise, with respect to the different locations, with that, there's a little bit of different cost in running each location. So the equipment aside, there's a different cost to staff, there's a different cost to space, there's a different cost to location. So you'll find, depending on location, the cost does vary a very little bit, but not by very much. The reason for that is we wanted to keep everything affordable for any patient who needs the care that we provide. So costs do vary, but they're still very affordable, especially in comparison to a lot of the other therapies that are out there. And we did that for a reason. We want to make sure that if you need this therapy, there is a way for you to access it. We've heard of some clinics charging upwards of $250, $300 per visit. We're definitely not in that realm. We wanted to make sure that we kept it affordable and we can put together some packages and things like that that will make sure that you are able to get the care if you need it. So the other thing that we'd like to discuss here is, let's consider not so much the cost of actually getting treated, although I know realistically that is a factor. The second part is, how much does it cost to be in pain? The cost for most patients is massive to be in pain. It's exponentially greater than getting well. So consider someone who has smoked and smoked and smoked for a number of years, spent money on that, now spends money on healthcare that they need because they did that. It would have been a lot cheaper to eat better foods, to not smoke, to take vitamins, to exercise over the course of the number of years. It would have been a lot cheaper to stay healthy. Might be a little bit more effort, but it would have been a lot cheaper financially to stay healthy than it did to spend all those years getting sick. This is no different with respect to back pain. So exercises, stretches, maintaining activity level, maintaining nutrition. And if you get to a point where you're injured, or you get to a point where you need this type of therapy, actually going for that type of therapy and getting well again costs you a lot less than just ignoring it and hoping it'll go away. How much does it cost you financially to hire someone to cut your grass, to shovel your snow, to clean your house, to take your kids to school and back? All those things that you may have to pay for if you can't do them yourself. How much does it cost to not being able to go on family outings, family trips, to spend that time with loved ones because you're in pain? And let's also consider the fact that most people in pain end up getting depressed because of it. I know because I've been there myself. The reason that the device was created in the first place was because of chronic neck and migraine pain that I experienced, that chiropractic couldn't fix, physio couldn't fix, acupuncture, massage, all that didn't do any good. I was chronic pain, chronic migraines. I decided to create this device out of a need for myself to get better. And now we're able to pass it on to you as a patient. So it costs you a lot more to be sick and in pain than it does to get you better. So let's get you better. We would love to help you get out of pain, like we have done for thousands of people just like you. So give us a call, send us an email. We would be happy to answer any of your questions. We will be happy to set you up to make sure that you can get the results that you need. So thank you very much for watching this video, and we look forward to helping you live a pain-free life. Have a great day, and we will see you soon.